Hello, and welcome back to J-1 Visa Consulting, your resource guide for all things J-1 visa related. My name is Avery, and I am an immigration specialist with over 7 years of experience in J-1 visa programming and cultural exchange programs. In this video, I'll be talking all about the advisory opinion. What is it? Why do you need it? And how do you get one? So if you do have a question about any of the content in this video, please feel free to comment below or check me out at j1visaconsulting.com. So for now, let's begin. So first, what is an advisory opinion? So it's an official review to determine if you have been subject to the 212E rule. Now, if you have, it should be listed on your DS 2019 form and your J-1 visa in your passport. But if you have conflicting information where one is checked and one isn't, or neither is checked, but you think that you are, you can request an advisory opinion to know if you are subject to this rule or not. So this is the 2-year home country physical presence requirement. So you can request an advisory opinion from the U.S. Department of State, the Waiver Review Division in Washington, D.C. So how do you request an advisory opinion? So the exchange visitor must submit a written request to the Waiver Review Division to conduct an advisory opinion. It must include a description of your J-1 visa program or programs with the corresponding dates, the funding sources, and any other pertinent information about your program. So necessary documentation that must be included in the submission are every DS 2019 issued to you. So if you could have more than one, if your program was changed, if it was extended, shortened, make sure that you include every DS 2019 form, the J-1 visa page in your passport, a self-addressed stamp envelope, and the supplementary application information page. So all of this is needed. So all documents must be mailed to the Waiver Review Division in Washington, D.C., and the decision will also be sent back via mail in the provided self-addressed stamp envelope. So that means you won't have your passport, so you will not be able to travel internationally during this time. So make sure that you are aware of that when you are submitting your documents to the Waiver Review Division. So next, some important information. So it typically takes the Waiver Review Division between 4 and 6 weeks to review the request and then make a final decision. So if a case number is assigned, you can check the status of your submission online, and either the exchange visitor, the attorney, or the ARO, the alternate responsible officer or responsible officer at the program sponsor in which the DS 2019 form was issued, can all request an advisory opinion. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you do have any questions, like I said, feel free to leave a comment below. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date and in the know for all things J-1 visa related. So until next time.